Hey media giants, how are y'all doing today? Radio Rick here with a new toy to unbox. I have a Sony stereo digital voice recorder, voice activated, 4 gigabytes of internal memory, 159 hours of sound. What do you think about that? I always wanted one of these. Years ago I had a similar recorder. It was a micro cassette recorder, but this one has USB. It can connect right to your computer here. And you can download files, and you can also upload MP3s to this and listen with earphones or with the speaker. This is a stereo microphone if I didn't say that yet. Anyway, it's small, cool, compact. Come over and take a closer look while I unbox it. Here it is, close up. Got tape on it first, let's see. This is about 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Very compact, you can hide it in your pocket. There we go. I'm excited. Nice little package. What do we have here? Owner's record. Alright, serial number. Instructions, warranty. I don't think we're going to need any instructions, are we? Yeah, maybe we will. Limited warranty by Sony. Look how small that is. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Sure is. Micro SD card it takes, but it also connects to your computer this way. See that USB pop out of there? And that's how you charge it as well. It has a built-in lithium battery. I'm going to remove this right here. Isn't that cool? You have an input for an external microphone. You have an output for headphones. Micro SD slot, like I said, see? But you don't need that because it has 4 gigabytes of internal memory. Power, volume. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Didn't charge it yet, you know. Ooh, it's lighting up. See it? Oh yeah. What's it say? Configure initial settings. Yes, okay, so how do you do that? I guess press yes. English. Alright, look at this. Ah, date. Okay, this is for your time and date stamp. Let me set this. What's the date today? April? April what? April 12th. Year 2019. Time. Ooh, 10:53 a.m. 10. Maybe 54 by now, huh? I like these little gadgets, they're so cool. You like them too, don't you? 10:54, next. Beep. Yes or no? I'll leave it on for now, but later I might want to turn it off. Initial settings saved. Okay, it still has 3/4 of battery already. Didn't charge it yet. Let's try something. Let's record. Testing. It has 2 level indicators there. See that? 1, 2, 3. Stop. Please wait. Now let's see. How do we play that? Volume. Turn up the volume.
Testing has 2 level indicators there. See that? 1, 2, 3. Stop.
Pretty cool. Let's see. We got features such as options. Let's see what that does. Options. Clear voice. Effect. Easy search. Play mode. Playback range. Delete a file. Protect. Track mark list. You can mark your favorite files. Divide. Move. Copy file. Change file name. File information. Let's see what effect does. Oh, look at. Oh, this is for your MP3 players. It has pop, classical rock, things like that. That's for when you're playing back your files. Let's record something else. And I'm going to try to load it into my computer. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Can you hear me? Testing, testing. There's a green light up top here.
Can you hear me?
I'm interested in the... Alright, stop. Search by date, search by folder. I'm interested in the voice activation. See if we find that in play mode. Oh, I can repeat. Okay, go back. Testing, testing. The red lights when you're recording. Testing, testing.
Testing, testing. The red lights when you're recording. Testing, testing.
Let me look at the instructions here. These instructions are like a road map. Oh, not that side. That's another language. Okay, charge. You can plug it in, like I said, to your computer. Or you have one of these USB blocks. You just plug it into there and plug it in the wall. Charge. Nice. Most of the time I'll probably use the computer. Say the battery lasts real long, according to the reviews. Okay, I learned a little bit by reading the instructions. You can go to home and you have settings, recorded files, music. You could put your MP3s in there or what have you. Return to playback. I went to settings. I pressed the middle button. Recording settings, because I'm interested in voice activated recording. Record mode, built-in mic sensitivity. Let's see, for voice or for music. You can change it. Go back. Record mode. MP3. How many bits per second? I'll leave that on standard, what they have set. And down the bottom it says VOR. Voice operated recording. Off or on? On. Okay, now let's go home. And let's press record, and then the voice activated recording will start when it hears sound or not. Let's see. See, it stopped at 3 seconds, and then it picked up and went to 4 or 5. It'll stop. And then when I talk again, it'll begin. You know why I'm interested in that? Because I talk in my sleep, and that is off, see? The display goes off, but the red light stays on. So it could be hidden. Let me stop talking and see if the red light goes off. Yep, there it went. Okay, this is going to be great for that. Now let me press stop. And you could take it out of that mode or leave it in that mode. I used to sell a lot of these on eBay, believe it or not, many years ago. And I sold them as EVP recorders. Electronic voice projection. You know what that is? Where people would just set this down on record and come back a few hours later and listen to the white noise or the static. And sometimes they hear spirits. And I sold many hundreds of those on eBay like that. But I'm going to use it to take notes and to record what I might say in my sleep, because it might be interesting. And people also use these as spy recorders. I know somebody that hid one of these on voice activated mode and caught their friend cheating on them. Believe it or not, it's very handy. It's great. Just for fun, just for a gadget. Check it out. I'll put a link down there. Let me just plug this in my computer real quick and see what happens. Into the USB. Just plugged in. Let's see what happens here. Ah, look at this. For Windows, license music, record file. Look at this. This is cool. Watch.
Testing. Testing. It has 2 level.
Well, that sounds good too.
2 level indicators there. See that?
Stereo.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Can you hear me? Testing.
So that's amazing. It's easy, isn't it?
Stopped at 3 seconds. And then it picked up and went to 4 or 5.
That's when I did the voice activated recording. Alright, check this out. Thanks for stopping by. I think it's real cool. And in the meantime, it's charging in my computer here while I'm downloading or uploading. I could put music on there too, remember? Alright, everybody, have a nice day. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. Check this out. Cool new toy to play with for a while. See ya.